Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how to use the Hyperspeed wireless connection for the least delay. So this is the using the Hyperspeed wireless is the least delay itself, and to enable that we have to pull this switch, which is here, to the right to do 2.5 GHz connection mode. Then we have to pull this dongle from here and take that and plug it into our PC. And this is the quick setup for our least delay. There is no such more options that can be used for less delay. We can just manage our RGB lights in the app or something like that, but it really doesn't matter. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.